Hey guys, welcome back to Frannic TV. So today I'll be showing you my makeup look on a client. This is the Dollhouse natural look. So usually this is a light coverage and minimal eyeshadow look. When I do hair or makeup, it's always very relaxing for me and I love to watch videos like this. So I hope it does the same for you. So watch me do her light beat, listen to the music, and I hope you enjoy. I started off by prepping her skin off camera, and then I filled in her eyebrows with the Morphe eyebrow pencil. Now I'll be cleaning up underneath the eye with a concealer that's a little bit lighter than her skin tone, and this will also serve as a base for the eyeshadow. Above her eyebrow, the concealer is only one shade lighter than her skin tone so that it is not as harsh. Now for foundation, I'll be patting that on with a sponge. I'll be doing light to medium coverage because her skin doesn't have any blemishes. This foundation may seem a little bit light for her forehead because I went with a color that matched her lower face, but it's important to keep in mind that most foundations oxidize. And it's usually easier for me to go back in and tweak here and there to darken and add more warmth than it is for me to lighten. I went ahead and powdered her face off camera. Since I did her base first, the setting powder will protect it and keep any eyeshadow that falls down away from her base, and it'll be easy to dust away after I'm done with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off by going in the crease with a darker, warmer color, and then I'll be adding a lighter color on the lid. Now I'll be going in and dusting away all the face powder and darkening up her outer perimeter, and I'll just be bringing color back into her face. Here I'll be spraying her face with some setting spray, and I'll be using a sponge to dab on a liquid highlight that is not too bright and it gives a glow from within type of look. If you made it this far, please go ahead and click that like button for me. I also add a bit of blush and powder highlight to the face. So now I'll just be adding a few final touches. I hope you enjoy the video and make sure you hit that subscribe button.